Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage database performance with Oracle, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding database performance is crucial for maintaining an efficient Oracle environment. Start by assessing the current performance metrics of your database. Use Oracle's Automatic Workload Repository, or AWR, to collect historical performance data. Analyze the AWR reports to identify any bottlenecks in resource utilization. Next, focus on optimizing SQL queries that may be underperforming. Utilize the SQL Tuning Advisor to receive recommendations for enhancing query efficiency. Implement indexing strategies to speed up data retrieval processes. Regularly monitor and adjust the database buffer cache settings. Evaluate the usage of full table scans and minimize them wherever possible. Consider partitioning large tables for better performance management. Configure the Oracle Optimizer settings to suit your database workload. Review and adjust the initialization parameters for your specific use case. Schedule regular maintenance tasks such as statistics gathering and data purging. Monitor disk space and I/O performance to prevent bottlenecks. Use Oracle Enterprise Manager for real-time performance analysis. Set up alerts to inform you of any irregular performance issues as they arise. Review application design and architecture to ensure it aligns with best practices. Consider leveraging Oracle's in-memory capabilities for enhanced performance on analytical queries. Test any changes in a staging environment before applying them to production. Keep your Oracle software version up to date to benefit from performance enhancements. Finally, document your performance management processes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.